much time. I just maybe you can introduce yourselves and what you're doing. You'll be better.
Take up a lot of time, and I'd just like to move on to my special remarks. And yeah, so it's been an honor and privilege to be part of 16th day of capacity building of youth peace builders, and I'm really grateful and happy to be part of this youth engagement event that enables youth to learn and contribute by pitching their idea of capacity building that always contributes to much required fresh perspective on peace and security. And I would like to extend my congratulations to Global Peace Foundation for initiating this event and managing to gather dedicated visionary youths. And also, I'd like to start with a UNESCO constitution that declares, since war begin in our minds, it is in our minds the defenses of peace lie. So peace, as we all know, is never given nor provided, but it's created. So who better to do so than young individuals as all of us? And promotion of peaceful and inclusive societies with a strong focus on human rights, educational system, and stimulating entrepreneurship and global citizenship is more important than ever. And I could see all of that in all of your projects. And if young people are given a chance and provided the necessary skills to take the lead in their own affairs, they can help build bridges to learn the gaps created in history. And a lot of different topics had to do with different fields and decision making or entrepreneurship or maybe gender. All of the different topics added a lot to today's event, and I'm very grateful to be part of it. Worldwide, young people make up a quarter of world's population and a driving force of change. So by having you participate in this event and go through an intensive training, brainstorming, I hope you all will return home empowered with new visions and skills. And as Bambi ma'am said, it's not the end. Global Peace Foundation has always been engaging with youths and a lot of volunteers, and there might be a lot of other programs that we might be part of again in future. And I think it's motivated to become factors of change on level of our communities, friends, and family. I strongly encourage you all to spread the message beyond and far after this event. It is also important to acknowledge the biggest crisis for the largest youth age group in history we are facing right now at present in terms of education, employment, opportunity, representation, a lot of other things. And it is also equally important to highlight the power that youth have today in today's day and age, because they have a unique upper hand to use innovation and technology to disrupt, to recalibrate, to challenge inequalities and be the force that transforms processes. So youths have to start advocating for amplifying their power, advocating for access and representation over economic resources, decision-making bodies in all fields, as you all mentioned and pitched your ideas for. And I'd like to lastly thank Global Peace Foundation for working to ensure that the rights of young people are upheld and supported so that they may reach their full potential. You all have highlighted some of the exemplary solutions and will hopefully help to make this happen. Along these, as pandemic restrictions will ease, I'd love to see you all impacting our nation at grassroots level through field work and knowledge sharing events as this, and fully equipped with practical tools for action. Let me conclude by reminding every one of you that your voice matters. Use it. This is your world. This is your space. Demand it, claim it, enjoy it, live it, and transform it. This is your day, your event, and you've led it, made it open and inclusive and democratic. And I can see a plethora of ideas, aspirations, motivations, and actions blossom in each of your projects. With this, I wouldn't want to take much of your time. I'm very grateful and thankful to all of you for coming up with such brilliant ideas. And thank you, Bambi ma'am, for again inviting me and making me be part of this event. I'm always grateful for being part of any event of Global Peace Foundation. And thank you to all the judges as well for their insightful remarks. Thank you.